Keeps you on your toes.
There it is, there it is! Go travelling, they said. It'll be fun, they said. So, should we talk about the lovely hotel that we've just stayed in?
It is a really, really lovely hotel. What was it called? Is it the Asherton?
Asherton Spa.
The main building and as a wedding venue is absolutely stunning. I think that was just unfortunate that the room we paid for and allocated, they'd missed on the cleaning schedule, which anyone can do. That is understandable, and they were fully booked. So we just probably ended up with the worst room on the site, which it was tiny. The carpet strangely crackled underfoot. So it wasn't the carpet, it's obviously something they've put underneath. You couldn't use the bathroom without the door slamming or having to pull it hard so it slammed. And then we obviously had the corridor door outside that every time someone went through it, you couldn't help but slam it.
Yeah, that was like, oh, I can't shut this. Rattling the whole room. There we go, we're in.
But we'll wait and see what happens, because the customer service was great last night, because they come and found us in the bar.
I mean, I nearly had a heart attack with the price of the pint.
We don't usually drink pints, but was it £7 for a pint?
£6.40. £7 for a pint was the one where we stayed, funny enough, in Warwick.
I don't think £6.40 is too bad.
Maybe it's because we don't drink, like you say.
But then the dinner, which was a giant Yorkshire pudding with sausages and gravy and mustard mash, for £16, I did expect it to be a bit more than a store-bought Yorkshire pudding.
That did look like someone done a whippy on my plate.
With a small Cumberland chipolata sausage with some mustard stirred into microwave mash.
They're mustard seeds, weren't they?
No, that would have been just whole grain mustard, I would have thought. Stirred into the mash, one tiny bit of broccoli and 2 little bits of green bean.
Oh, do you know what I noticed about the green beans? That when I was chewing them, they were squeaking on my teeth.
Oh, that's because they'll be frozen.
Oh, it was making my teeth go funny.
But, as I say, the hotel is absolutely gorgeous. The main building, the grounds, and then breakfast was included. And strangely enough, the breakfast were lovely, big sausages, really nice quality bacon. The whole breakfast was really good. If they'd have put those sausages that we had for breakfast in the evening meal, that would have sort of transformed it, really.
That would have made it worth £16.
Yeah, it was sort of it was nice. Don't get me wrong, it was nice. It was tasty, but it was Wetherspoons tasty.
Yeah. Don't want to keep as much battery power as possible. So we didn't make it to Snowdonia.
No. Oh Christ, that's windy across the bridge.
Oh my god.
That was a huge side wind.
We actually had to cut our journey short by what, 2 days?
Yeah.
Oh, this was the place, wasn't it? the
Oh yeah.
Warwick castle on it. Is that the one?
Oh yeah, yeah, that was there. And there is Warwick Castle, or one of the entrances, I'm guessing. Ah, we're still behind cars that don't want to move.
What a lovely place.
That is lovely. Ronnie's bar.
Oh wow, that looks like an old seat down there. I wonder if there's anywhere we can park along here.
I'm loading only. Lots of coffee shops.
Actually,
Wow, look at those places on the right. The Lord Leicester, I think, or Leicester. Some lovely little places around here. I still wouldn't want to live in them.
so I bet they'll be cold in the winter.
Yeah.
I thought Norwich had some really old places.
Left here is Warwick Castle Drive.
Okay.
Should we go up it?
Yeah, why not? Let's have a look. There's some sort of festival going on in here by the looks of it.
Daytime parking, £7.50.
Wow. Is that including motorbikes?
So do we now pay to go into the car park? We do, I think. I think we have to we've either got to turn round or get a ticket here.
We don't get a ticket here, keep going.
There's barriers. So you have to pay to get out.
Surely not.
Well, we can go round the barriers coming out.
Yeah, we can. Well, we can just ask. There's a gentleman here.
What are we going to ask him?
What are the... Well, we can't get through.
Right.
You have to move it.
Can you go beside? Go beside.
There you go.
Which way? Is it just the same that way? That's what, sorry?
Are you going to a hippie festival or the castle? No.
The castle.
Park up there, mate. Pay for the floor, alright?
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, what's all this in here? Can you stay here? I think you can stay in here, can't you? Does it look like there's all accommodation parking?
What should we do? Go into here? Where are you?
The next one along. Come over the grass. Ta-da! Here we go. Warwick Castle.
Yeah.
Do you want to go for a little walk?
Yeah, where are we going to put our jackets?
On the bike? We don't have to. You don't want to.
Yeah, we can go for a walk.
Do you want to or not?
Not overly.
Right, let's go then.
But we could, and we could put the drone up or something.
We won't be allowed to put the drone up in here.
Come on, let's go for a walk.
You said you didn't want to, so let's go.
Let's go for a walk.
No, I don't want to now.
I do.
No, you don't.
I do.
Let's go and find a road where we can put the drone up.
Let's go for a nice little walk.
I don't want to now.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
You're just being awkward.
No, I'm not. You can go first then to get out.
How do we get out?
The way we came in.
Just go past the barrier.
Guess so, yeah.
Hang on then, because if we're going to go anywhere else, we need to put where we're actually going, don't we? Or shall we have a look at the castle?
Oh my god.
Come on, let's go have a look at the castle.
You didn't want to.
You are?
You didn't want to.
Castle entry is £25.
Yeah, I'm not paying that to get in.
Alright? Scan your parking voucher. Just go round barriers. So what you do? Just come up beside me. Shall I just go round it?
Yeah, go on.
I don't know if I'll get round or not.
That opened for us anyway.
Did it? I feel naughty now. Do I dare stand up on my AliExpress pegs? I think now we just enjoy a chilled ride back to Norfolk.
Oh, look at the state of my hair. So we stopped to change the battery on my bike and then realised that my Insta360 camera is missing off the back of my bike. Matt having a little stroll along the grass to see if he can locate it, because it was there a couple of minutes ago and now it's not. But I do think if we do relocate it, then it's going to be smashed to bits. I think we should go back along the road for a little while and have a look. Yeah. A little bit on the outside because My thing even outside. There it is, there it is! Yep! Yeah, I know, I've indicated. Oh, I'm gonna have to turn the bike off. Oh, I left the hazards on. Oh, I've had to because that's the side of the road. No fucking way. Oh, that is mullered. Never thought I was gonna fucking find the camera. So she's gonna start his thing. Oh, we're there for a turn. Looking like for me. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's the camera rescued. Who would have fucking thought that, hey? There you go. Where did they speak up from? So found it, we couldn't tap. So I've had a bit of a fiddle with my settings on my phone, so hopefully it was gonna be a bit better. What are you doing? So this is the bike. We managed to get her back in one piece. I can say hello, Felix. Good boy. So yeah, Matt had taken this off and has done something to it, which I don't know what. Yeah, all the connections and everything have all been pulled off, cleaned, resoldered, put back together. Come here then. And this cat wants to be the star of the show. You're gonna say hi, Felix. The bike is hopefully sorted. We've just got to figure out now where we are going to go. So if you guys have any ideas on where our next trip could be, put some comments, give us some ideas, because it's all new to us, and we very much do like to be out and about on the bikes when they work. But obviously it's fun when they don't. Keeps you on your toes. Doing a tour on the double R's would be pretty fun, but I don't actually know if I could hack it. I think it would literally kill me. From me and Felix, like and subscribe to our channel, that would be great. Thank you, bye. How you two doing?